Here's my Fadal 4020 VMC. It's an excellent condition. It's a 2006. It's a one-owner machine. The original owner never ran production on this machine. He only ran 1 or 2 parts at a time. Barely used this machine. It is like a brand new machine. Take you guys around the back here. This is one of the cleanest machines that I've had come through my shop in a while. And you can see it has 6,300 hours on it. Here's all the information. It's a 2006. Everything is just meticulously maintained. This machine was barely used. You can see how clean everything is. Nothing's been repainted or touched up. This is exactly how this machine came in. All the glasses, or the plexiglass, is in great condition. This is basically a brand new machine. You can see the back walls, everything inside the machine, like new. Walk you around it, then I'll show you the features. Super nice machine. So these are the controls here. It does have also the windows installed in it. Got to enter the password 7260. Enter. So it will pull up Windows. You can actually transfer all your files from stick right into the machine, or drip feed right from this machine. So it pulls up Windows 2000 Professional. You can see here it's been fitted with USB drives, and it has the floppy. So what you can do is drip feed your programs from that USB stick right into the machine. So it's basically a computer built into this machine, as well as the CNC Fadal controls. And I'll walk you through all that here. So let's go back to regular CNC. Here's the regular CNC mode. So you can see here there's no program right here, and this is where the programs show up. If we go to Windows option, it's real easy. There's a program, it's the NC Fadal, and I use this mouse here. Let's see if I can do this on my leg here. Pull that up, and then you can see I have my USB stick in here. So just open it, and here's some programs I have in here. Here's a test program. So this is pulled up now, and we can send it to the CNC. You can pull programs from the CNC, or you can go into DNC and just drip feed it as you need. So you never have to put a program in this computer, which this monitor does have a lot of memory storage in it, but I'll show you here. So we go to CNC, transfers complete, just click OK. Now if I go back over to the CNC side, you'll see there's our program. It's just ready to go. At that point you would just hit start and it would run the program. And the same is true if you were to hit DNC mode. It would just load this up, and it would just keep loading the program as you go. So this machine is just ready to go. It has a lot of memory in it too, but I don't keep programs in my machines. I usually just use them, drip feed them as I need them. So it's a really nice machine. Like I said, it's upgraded. It has the RS-232 port as well back here, which you don't need when you have the USB stick. So let's go into running some of it here. Let's go into 3, which is MDI mode, and then let's get the spindle rolling. M3 speed, let's go 500. Just hit enter. Now it tells us it's waiting and it's ready. The light comes on up top, and we just hit the start button. Boom, and it just starts right up. So this machine does have through spindle like oil and air, so it turns on in there to keep everything out of there. It also has programmable coolant. So here's the little servo coolant knob, and as you turn it, this programmable coolant will go in and out. So you can adjust it while you're actually machining. You can turn that in and out. And then it also has the handheld controls here that comes off. It's just a magnet. It's really nice. This whole, everything's like brand new on this machine. The original owner barely used this machine ever. So then we'll just go to M2, cycle stop. So then we can do, let's do a tool change here. 3 M06 tool 1, enter. It says waiting. Just hit that start button. There we go. Nice and smooth. All the axes move great on this machine. I mean, it's literally a brand new machine. Like I said, this guy barely used it. Let's go into jog mode. I'll move some of those axes around there. Here's the Z. Nice and smooth. It's basically a brand new machine. Y-axis, nice and smooth. It has a nice size working table on it too. This is basically like the perfect size machine for anything. Running one part or production. Let's go into X there. So that's about it for this machine. It's just really great condition. If you're looking for a like new machine that you're gonna have for years and you're not gonna have any problems out of, this is the machine. So let's see if I can show you anything else here. Maybe we'll go into 4. We'll home the axes here. Return to home. Hit that 1. Boom. Start that up, and it automatically homes all the axes. So that's about it. Just shut it down from there. It's really easy to use. It's just a great all-around machine. So don't hesitate to buy this, because this is like new condition. This is one of the cleanest used machines I've ever came across. So if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My name's Randy. My number is 502-418-2549. If you want to see any of my other equipment that I have for sale, check out my website. It's P as in Paul, manufacturing.com. Thanks for looking.